Hello, welcome back to my channel. George is here. Today we're going to open my, and now I say we because it is me and George. He's sniffing everything. My summer FabFitFun box. The last box that I got was so small. Like the physical box was small. And this one is so large. Do not ever remember what I choose. George, why do you like to stand on tables? I think you must have been raised by cats. What are you doing? You can't get on the table. Come here, you gotta get on my lap. You can't sit on the table. That's gross. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. I like it. I didn't necessarily mean to renew my annual subscription, but I didn't realize when it was coming up for renewal. So we've renewed for another year. But I do like the subscription box. You can choose to get a box seasonally, just one at a time, or you can pay for the annual subscription. I believe with the annual subscription, you can choose everything that's in the box, if I'm not mistaken, bro. So I have the annual. I chose everything that's in here. Could not, for the life of me, tell you a single thing that I chose. So let's open the box together. Okay. I guess he's staying. I don't know. Watch your face. Watch your face. I've got to cut the tape, please. He's the nosiest dog. There's no card anymore, so I'll have to put the prices on the screen, you know, when I edit it, because I don't know prices for anything. There's no card or anything anymore. The first thing that I'm pulling out is the Olaplex number 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. I'm not usually a dry shampoo person, but anything that claims it's gonna give your hair volume, I'm all about it. I'm also not a huge Olaplex fan. I've tried some samples of the like number 4 numbers. I don't even know the numbers. I didn't really understand the hype, but this says it absorbs oil, volumizes, refreshes, and detoxifies. And I like the idea of not washing my hair every day, but it's just, I can't stand the feeling of dirty hair. Hold the bottle 6 to 10 inches away from hair and spray onto roots. Wait 30 seconds and massage into scalp. So we will try this. I know that Olaplex is obviously, is it considered a high-end brand? It's not a cheap brand, I would say. Okay, the next is from African Botanics, and this is a Stretch Mark Botanical Body Oil. I've never heard of this brand. Ooh. Or tried anything from it, but it smells. Ooh, it smells really good. What does this smell like? Marula, jojoba, avocado, oh, the writing is a little bit scratched, so I can't. It's mangongo, I think, oil, and rose hip. It smells delicious. Use AM and PM. Can also use as a hair oil. Oh wow. I just said I don't want oil, so I will not be doing that, but this smells really good. Next we have a perfume. This is from Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. Little cutie right there. This is 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. I don't think I've ever tried a Juliet Has a Gun perfume. Not even a sample. I think this smells really good. It smells very alcohol-y in the packaging, so I'm getting a lot of that right now, but then there are some delightful notes in the back. What do you want back there? You can't have anything back there. Clean, pure, and minimalist, not a perfume, lies in its ability to connect with your natural smell. By adapting to your skin pH, the scent is always unique. Oh, interesting. Well, we're gonna have to see what I smell like, I guess. Sir, you're being a butt. You can't get on the table. That is gross. You're gonna knock everything off. Because I'm pretty sure you were raised by cats. Next, we have a couple of makeup products. The first is from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the Infinity Waterproof Eyeliner, and have the shade Lauren Black Matte. I'm pretty sure I have the liquid version of this, but this is just a plain black eyeliner. And I feel like you can never have too many of those. I don't know that I've ever tried a regular eyeliner from Thrive. But I've definitely tried the liquid and I enjoyed it, so there's that. We have a mascara. This is from Swede. This is the Pro Lash Lift Mascara. I'm gonna have to find a picture and insert a picture of the wand because I'm not ready to open this yet. I have a gross number of open mascaras and I don't want to open another one because I'm not quite ready to use it. So I don't want to open this yet. I'll find a picture and insert a picture of what the wand looks like. But if I remember from when I did choose these, the wand looked like something I would enjoy. What are you doing? You're gonna steal the show. You're trying to steal. Are you trying to take over my channel? You can do the editing then. The last item in the bag is a giant beach bag. Is this straw? Let me open it. Hold on. This is from Show Me Your Moo Moo. And it just says life is fun. Your clothes should be too. Well, this is a bag. But it has a zipper closure, which I always love. And it has some stripes on the side. There's a little pouch. It has a nice wide bottom. I thought this would be actually a great like teacher gift, end of year teacher gift, to like load up with some great things for the teacher. I do have but I also have another bag that's personalized that has my daughter's teacher's name on it, so maybe I'll just like put that, you know, I just thought this would be a great bag if like I decide that I don't want to use it, you know? It is one thing, and I always talk about this whenever I do FabFitFun, that I really like about FabFitFun is the products are really nice quality. They're not things that you see everywhere for the most part. I mean, I choose things that I know I'm going to want to use, but if there's a category for something that I think, oh, I don't really want anything in here, I try to pick something that I know would be a good giftable item because it's a good quality, it's a good price point, and it's maybe a little bit different than something you would get at like Target or Walmart or Meijer or something for gifting purposes. So that is my box for summer. I will add up the retail value and put that on the screen. George is crazy. If you guys get FabFitFun, I would love to know what you chose for your summer box. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I will talk to you in my next video. Were you whining at me because you wanted to steal my chair? Sir, that is so rude.